Unit 1. Tape script 1.1. The alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Tape script 1.2. Hello.
Hello, what's your first name?
My name's Bill.
And what's your surname?
Fraser.
How do you spell that?
Frasier.
And where are you from, Bill?
I'm from Chicago. I'm American.
Thank you very much.
Tape script 1.3.
Hello, my name's Carla. What's your name?
David.
Where are you from, David?
I'm from Bristol. Where are you from?
I'm from Bristol too.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Tape script 1.4. 1,
What's his surname?
Fraser.
2,
What's his first name?
Bill.
3,
Where's he from?
Chicago.
4,
How old is he?
30.
5,
What's his phone number?
312-555-0749.
6,
What's his email address?
bfraser@gmail.com.
7.
Is he married?
No, he isn't.
Tape script 1.5. 1,
What's her surname?
2,
What's her first name?
3,
Where's she from?
4,
How old is she?
5,
What's her phone number?
6,
What's her email address?
7.
Is she married?
Tape script 1.6. Rick's family.
My name's Rick Wilson, and I'm from London. I'm 19 years old and I'm a student. I go to Kingston University. I have a brother and a sister. My brother's name is Edward. He's 16 and he's at school. My sister's name is Rosie. She's 23 and she's married. I live with my parents and my brother in a house in West London. My father, Peter, is a salesman, and my mother, Helen, is a teacher. I'm not married, but I have a girlfriend. Her name's Lily. She's lovely. My family really like her.
Tape script 1.7. 1,
I go to Kingston University.
2,
I have a brother and a sister.
3,
I live with my parents in a house in West London.
4,
My family really like Lily.
Tape script 1.8. 1,
Where are you from?
2,
Are you from London?
Yes, I am.
3,
How old are you?
I'm 15.
4,
Are your sisters married?
No, they aren't.
5,
I like you. You're my friend.
6,
Hans isn't from Germany. He's from Switzerland.
7,
Is your mother a doctor?
No, she isn't.
8,
I am not Italian. I'm French.
Tape script 1.9. 1,
She's from Italy.
2,
What's his name?
3,
Your English is good.
4,
Where's she from?
5,
He's a teacher in England.
6,
We aren't English.
Tape script 1.10. Spelling. 1,
My name's Vanessa. That's V-A-N-E-S-S-A. Vanessa.
2,
My first name's Joseph. That's Joseph. My surname's Bowen. That's Bowen. Joseph Bowen.
3,
My name's Katie Matthews. That's Katie, K-A-T-I-E, Matthews, M-A-T-T-H-E-W-S.
4,
My email address is g.hunt8@yahoo.com. That's g.hunt8@yahoo.com.
5,
My email address is zach.yates@gmail.co.uk. That's Zach, Z-A-C, .yates, Y-A-T-E-S, @gmail.co.uk.
Tape script 1.11. Annalisa's blog.
Day 1. Welcome to my blog. It's in English. Hello, I'm an Italian student. I'm in Notting Hill, London, England. I'm here to learn English. My English family are the Wilsons. Peter, the husband, and Helen, the wife, have 3 children. Edward, 16, Rick, 19, and Rosie, 23. Rosie's married. They're very friendly, but they speak very fast. It's difficult to understand them. Day 3. My first day at school. Today is my first English class at St. Martin's College. It's a big school in the centre, in Covent Garden. It's near a lot of shops, cafes, and theatres. It's great. My class is very international. The students are from Mexico, Japan, Egypt, Spain, Hungary, and Switzerland. Our teacher's name is Charlotte. She's very young and she's very nice. I really like her. She's a good teacher. Day 10. I love London. Hello again. It's great here. I love London. It's big but interesting. I like shopping, but it's very expensive. I go to the parks. They are really beautiful. And I go to museums and galleries. The National Gallery is free. I go by bus or by underground. It's very easy. The weather's okay, cold but sunny. The food is okay too. And the coffee is great. There are a lot of Italian coffee bars in London. Check out my photos.
Tape script 1.12. 1,
Where's Annalisa from?
Italy.
2,
Where's her school?
In the centre of London.
3,
What's her teacher's name?
Charlotte.
4,
What's her family's name?
Wilson.
5,
Where's their house?
In Notting Hill in West London.
6,
How old are the two brothers?
Edward's 16 and Rick's 19.
7,
Is the weather okay?
Yes, it is. It's cold and sunny.
Tape script 1.13. 1,
Goodbye, Annalisa. Have a good day at school.
Thank you, Peter. And you have a good day at work.
2,
Good morning, Annalisa. Where's your homework?
It's here, Charlotte.
3,
Hello, Cristo. Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
4,
A ticket, please.
The National Gallery is free.
Oh, good. Thank you.
5,
A coffee, please.
Certainly. Here you are.
Tape script 1.14.
My family isn't very big. I have a sister, Andrea, she's 18, and a brother, Richard, he's 25. They're not married. I'm married, and my wife's name is Isabel. We have 2 children, a daughter, Nancy, that's Nancy, she's 4, and a son, Tom, he's only 6 months old. We live near my parents. My dad's name is John, and my mum's is Odile. That's Odile. She's French. My grandmother lives with them. Her name's Marie. She's my mum's mum.
Tape script 1.15. 1,
Hello, Sally. How are you?
Okay, thank you. And you?
Fine, thanks.
2,
Hi, Pete. How are you?
All right, thanks. And you?
Not bad, thank you.
3,
Good morning, Mr. Simpson. How are you?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you.
4,
Hello, Mrs. Brown. How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Not bad.
Tape script 1.16. 1,
Bye, Mum. It's time for school.
Goodbye, darling. Have a good day.
Thanks. See you later.
2,
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I have a coffee? An espresso, please?
Yes, of course. Anything else?
No, thank you.
3.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
No, thank you. We're just looking.
Oh, that's okay.
4.
Frank, this is Gina. She's from our New York office.
Hello, Gina. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Frank. Pleased to meet you too.
5.
Oh, thank goodness it's Friday.
Bye, Ian.
Bye, Derek. Have a good weekend.
Thanks. Same to you.
See you on Monday.
6.
Good night. Sleep well.
Good night. See you in the morning.